In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images to vectors in Figma using the best method available. This process is straightforward and will help you elevate your design projects with some neat vector graphics. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you're not on Figma yet, open up your web browser and navigate to their website. It's a highly favored platform among designers for its versatility in creating and managing design projects. It's a great place to start if you haven't already experienced its collaborative capabilities. Once you're on the Figma homepage, look for the login button, which should be fairly easy to spot. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up quickly with just a few clicks. It's free to start, so no worries about immediate costs. After you're logged in, you'll be on the home screen. Here you will see all your recent projects and shared designs. From this home screen, look for the Design tab. Clicking on Design will lead you directly to the Design workspace where the magic happens. This section is where you'll spend most of your time crafting vectors and bringing your visuals to life. With the design space open, our next step is to find the Actions drop-down menu. This menu houses various features and plugins that can boost your design process. Locate the Actions button and click on it to bring up the options available. In order to convert an image into a vector, we'll be searching for a specific tool called Image Tracer. This is a powerful feature that helps turn raster images into vectors. Simply type Image Tracer into the search bar in the Actions menu, and it should pop up right away, displaying as an available option for you to use. Once you've found the Image Tracer, the next move is to run it. Hit the Run button associated with the Image Tracer action. Figma will then launch this tool, which will process your selected image and convert it into a vector graphic. This operation might take a moment depending on the complexity of your image, so be patient while it works its magic. Finally, when the vector tracing is complete, look for the traced vector on your canvas. You'll need to click on Place Traced Vector to incorporate the new vector into your project. This step will position the vector where you want it in your design frame, ready for further edits or enhancements. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully convert any image into a polished vector graphic in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect, and exploring Figma's features can greatly enhance your design skills. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.